like on the car. Alright, what's up everybody? This is how I trim my tires down using the tire trimmer. Use this. Let's turn this off. This is a wood chisel, but you want to make sure you get the one that's flat back here and just had a little diamond up there so you can press it against here to keep it level, but it gets hot, so that's why I got this glove on. But this is how you trim the tires down. I already measured everything to where I want it, so you just slide this in here real slow. Okay, now you want to foul it, just take it smooth, make sure it's all smooth, because you did cut it, so. Okay. This ain't a brand new tire, but it is nice and smooth around here. It's been cut. See, difference in size. You just cut the next one the same way on the tire truer, and then you can true it down, do it, everything you do to get your tires right. But if it was a brand new tire, it'll look a lot better than this. But that's how you do it. I would rebalance it and then throw it back on the car. Alright, show you what it look like when they all four is done. Alright, this is what it look like on the car. I tried it with old tires first, and then if these hold up, then I try with brand new tires. But for now, this is just to see if these hold up. The point of doing this is because when the tires ballooned, they balloon out this way. This whole part right here spreads out. So the longer it is, the more it spreads out. So if you cut it off and make it skinnier, then there's less of it to spread out. So hopefully it helps with that. That's the whole point of trying to see, if trimming them down smaller. Because the faster you go, the more this is going to spread out. So, especially on a car that's light. This car ain't as heavy as like them 20-pound Limitlesses. So we'll see what happens. And we'll go from there. I'm out.